Now for 66, it's the Turbo Smooth Holden, with great new looks and a choice of 3 new, more powerful engines. The thundering power of 145 horses. Harnessed, controlled, disciplined in the new Holden's mighty X2 engine. Engineered to acquire new turbo smooth power, exhilarating new acceleration, the thrust and energy of twin carburetors, the powerful lift and liveliness of increased compression ratios. It's the all-time high in Holden.
Now Holden's got more horses, more horses. This is the year to prove the power and performance of Turbo Smooth. Turbo Smooth, new Holden.
You only have to drive it once to discover nothing else will do.
Turbo Smooth, new Holden.
So, introducing Project Harriet. Harriet is a 1966 HR Holden, 6-cylinder. Got a 186S engine in it. Got a stack of parts. It is missing a front seat. It's got a Premier center console, which I may not use because it's a special, so it's supposed to have a bench seat front. Got a spare boot lid. It does have a Premier back seat in it. And that's actually in pretty good nick. All the door skins need replacing. They all have rust in them. The floor pans, it actually has had all of the floor pans cut out. This front guard's probably the worst. And guards are actually hard to get. You can get replacement patch panels for the bottom here, but I'll either be chasing a new guard or teaching myself how to do some replacement body panels. Under the bonnet, the big block 186S. Actually a bloody good motor, these. All original matching numbers. Roof is really good, no rust. All the door skins, I'm going to replace all the door skins. This guard's actually pretty good. A little bit of rust repair required here and down the bottom. So patch panel will probably work for that. We do have some Premier trim for it as well, which I may or may not use because it doesn't really go with it. I think I'd rather put it back to original as a special. So that's Project Harriet.
Yes, we have our ghost towns, places where the gold ran out and the people with it. But now, a new breed of people come back with a car that's made a new kind of Australian history. Holden, ahead again in 67. Holden, ahead in luxury. Ready to take you to new worlds of discovery and enjoyment. Holden costs less than other sixes, yet motoring riders agree it outperforms them. Holden's designed for Australia. Luxury, performance, quality. Look at it anyway. Holden has it for less. See your Holden dealer. He'll save you a bag of gold.